Welcome to the Introduction to Electrical Engineering by Manali. Today our contents are RMS value, peak factor and form factor. First we are going to see the RMS value. RMS value is the effective value of an alternating current or voltage. It is defined as the square root of the mean of squares of instantaneous values of an AC quantity over one complete cycle. RMS value is equal to value of DC that produces the same heating effect in a resistor. It represents the actual power producing capability of an AC quantity. For a sinusoidal waveform, RMS value is equal to 0.707 into maximum value. For sinusoidal current, IRMS is equal to 0.707 Im, and you can say for sinusoidal voltage VRMS is equal to 0.707 Vm. For household purposes, you can say household AC supply voltages, for example 230 volt, are specified in RMS only. Here we are going to see the peak factor or crest factor. Peak factor is the ratio of maximum value of an AC quantity to its RMS value. It indicates how high the peak value is compared to the effective value. Peak factor is also known as the crest factor. It is dimensionless quantity, means it has no any unit. For a sinusoidal waveform, the peak factor is constant. Peak factor is useful in the design and rating of electrical equipment and insulation. Different waveforms have different peak factors. A higher peak factor indicates the waveform with higher peaks related to its RMS value, and the formula for the same is maximum value divided by RMS value. Also you can say in case of voltages and current like Vm upon Vrms and Im upon IRMS respectively. For sinusoidal waveform, peak factor is fixed and which is 1.414. Next slide is of form factor. Form factor is the ratio of RMS value to the average value of an AC quantity. It indicates the shape of the waveform. Form factor is the dimensionless quantity, means it has no any unit. It is used to compare different types of waveforms. For a sinusoidal waveform, the form factor has a fixed value. Different waveforms have a different form factors, and the formula for the same is RMS value upon average value. And in case of voltage and current, you can say Vrms upon Vaverage and IRMS upon Iaverage respectively. So for in case of sinusoidal waveform, you can say form factor is equal to 0.707 upon 0.637, which is equal to 1.11. Let us see the summary. The RMS value of an AC quantity is its effective value and is equal to 0.707 times its maximum value for a sinusoidal waveform. Peak factor is the ratio of peak value to the RMS value of an AC quantity, and for a sine wave its value is 1.414. Form factor is the ratio of RMS value to the average value of an AC quantity, and its value is 1.11. Today we are going to stop here.